Hey everyone, this is Scott Smith from C&S Cleaning Services. In the background there you can hear one of our machines running, which is over here, and one of our trucks. Kylie back here is applying the sanitizer to the siding, and what that's doing is it's taking it from like this here, and without us even rinsing yet, making it like this. You can see the difference here where I stopped spraying. And I did this just to show you guys the difference between pressure washing and what we do is what's called soft washing. Now soft wash, it's low pressure, so we're not going to blow water in the window and damage your light and blow water up under the soffit and everything else on your house. It's actually low pressure. You can put your hand right in front of the sprayer. The biggest difference between our cleaning process and others is ours can be done safely from the ground, no ladders against your house, no leaving marks, but it cleans and kills the algae off your siding and all the little mold and stuff. It also dissolves them cobwebs and all them bugs that build up clear up top there. And you can see again, not treated, treated. I didn't even rinse this yet because we got to let the cleaner work for a couple minutes. But this has only been on here for about 5 minutes. And of course we haven't touched this. So if you want us to make this difference on your house, give us a call at 814-547-1848. Myself or Darcy will answer the phone and we'll get you booked. And we really appreciate your business. Give us a call. Again, 814-547-1848. Thanks. Bye.